LaChina Unexpected from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grove Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And as we begin to approach our projected harvest date of July the 4th of this year for our Beauregard sweet potatoes that we planted out at Queen Annie's place, we'd like to give you guys the opportunity to click on the link at the top of this video and check out our 2019 July the 4th Beauregard sweet potato harvest out at Sweet Baby Red. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you exactly what things are indeed looking like out at Queen Annie's place, and show you exactly what has happened since our last video update, which was only a few days ago during our full garden tour video. But a lot has changed since that day. We had a thunderstorm come through here about 2 days ago, and really poured out a lot of rain here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, and a lot changed out there at Queen Annie's place after that thunderstorm. I'm going to put the camera around for you guys right now and show you exactly what's going on at Queen Annie's place. Hang tight, YouTube. Here we are approaching Queen Annie's place, and as we approach her sign, her Beauregard sweet potato vines precede her. Indeed, Queen Annie's place. And as I stated in the previous clip, YouTube, we had a thunderstorm come through about 2 nights ago. It dumped tons of rain on us here in Grove Zone 8B, right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, and a lot changed out here at Queen Annie's place after that thunderstorm. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. I'm going to stand back and try to get all these vines in the shot. As you can see, my mom's Beauregard sweet potato plants vined way out after that storm. They're currently growing out into our front yard garden extended grow area and out into our walkway in between Queen Annie's place and the red shed. Again, our projected harvest date for our Beauregard sweet potatoes is July the 4th of this year. And if you haven't again seen our 2019 Beauregard sweet potato harvest out at Sweet Baby Red, be sure to click on the link at the top of this video. Check out that video and see how well our harvest went last year. Queen Annie's place currently gets about 6.5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight here in this location, and Sweet Baby Red got about 10 hours of full sun last season in that location out there. So we don't know if this harvest over here at Queen Annie's place will be quite as extravagant as our harvest over at Sweet Baby Red, but indeed we are expecting quite a nice harvest here from my mom's Beauregard sweet potato sweet potato plants here at Queen Annie's place. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Garden Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Beauregard sweet potatoes at Queen Annie's place. Thanks for watching.